Hi, I'm Slick. Today, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on IOTX wallets, ioPay version 2.0. Taking you through the unique features, functionalities, and how you can get paid on ioPay. So before we get started, let's talk about ioPay. ioPay is a crypto wallet that allows you to send and receive crypto assets, say IOTX, Ethereum, BNB, and other crypto assets. ioPay is the most trusted blockchain wallet you can ever think of. A cross-chain wallet that allows you to stake and earn up to 11% APY without ever you thinking of leaving the app. That's pretty amazing. Via this amazing app, users can also exploit DeFi, DAPPs, different games, NFTs, and even marketplaces. Without a doubt, staking on a wallet that is created on a blockchain technology, whereby you as a user, you have total control of your whole privacy, your money, your staking, and everything. That's one of the reasons why you should trust ioPay, built on the amazing blockchain technology. Staking on ioPay wallet is one of the amazing decisions you should make. The creators don't even have access to whatever you're doing. You have total control of your privacy, your money, your data, and everything on the platform. So you decide what happens on the platform. Pretty amazing. ioPay has welcomed over 37,000 stakeholders who has earned immensely from the platform via staking, with over 2.6 million IOTX stake on the app. So being a stakeholder, you also have a chance to win rewards like airdrops, airdrips, and a lot more. Now, IOTX has greatly enhanced the security and the usability of the app across all platforms. And this is pretty amazing to see amazing functionality, usability, accessibility on the version 2.0. So here is a brief features on version 2.0.
So guys, here is ioPay version 2.0. After you click on the app, the first thing you see is the welcome page, and all you just need is to scroll down and click on continue to experience. So you have two options to do, either for you to import a wallet. If you can't import it, then import your private key if you're an existing wallet, and if you don't have an existing wallet, you could as well go back and create a new wallet. Click on create wallet, and you can switch changes to your whatever icon you want. So you can click on icons here, then pick your wallet name. For example, I pick my wallet name. I type my wallet name, Slick Wallet. Just click OK and click on next by picking that Slick Wallet, and you just create your passcode depending on the passcode you wanted for yourself. So just created my passcode, and I can confirm my passcode again. After confirming my passcode, it will load and it takes me to the next stage, and to just say like my wallet has been generated. So I can copy my wallet by clicking on this. I can view my wallet from here. I can view my wallet, and also I can verify my key by pasting the wallet I just copied. Click on view Slick Wallet after pasting it, and you're good to go. So here is ioPay version 2.0, amazing app. You can see a brief around this app. You can click on send, you can click on send IOTX, you can receive, put amount if you want to send. Then you can deposit IOTX, you can do this via transfer this address, withdraw, or get swap, and also XRC tokens. And you can also stake, which is the amazing thing you can do on the app. You can click on stake, you can come here, check my stake, and click on new stake to get started by staking. And you see the list of amazing wallets available on the app. You can see Binance Staking, Slab, Core. You can see amazing. You can as well scroll down, to check amazing different choice, the home page. So you can play around the home page, check to add, whether you want to add extra tokens. You can click on it and add. You can also use this button to actually edit wallet, private keys, scan QR code, and receive and add token. This button is the same thing as this. Amazing stuff. And you can also navigate through the bottom bar. Check your activities on whether you have transactions that have been made recently. You can come here to check out the decentralized apps and see all DAPPs, my DAPPs, and airdrip, and a lot of stuff. You can also click on the news version where you can see news around crypto, wallet, NFT, IOTX. You can see amazing news around it. You can click on settings to check general settings, security, manage XRC address, and about ioPay. If you want to join the community, you can check out the community via this place. and you can also check out the general to see that the amazing languages. IOTX support developer mode now. You can activate it. You can also view language, different languages that it supported. The language is where you can choose the language you want for yourself, which is pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing. You can as well go back to the language and and select what language you actually want for yourself, which is pretty great. And click on English back. This is amazing. You can see how the amazing functions, stick app, improved user interface. The app is pretty amazing, very smooth. At a click, at a go, you can stake and start earning. This is pretty amazing. So thank you for sticking around, and thank you for checking out the amazing version 2.0 walkthrough.
So finally, what will this product looks like? ioPay version 2.0 support IOTX chain, BSC, Ethereum, and Polygon. While we have other unique amazing features like improved user interface of homepage and other activities. You can also now search for DAPPs and hot DAPPs on the amazing app. ioPay is available across all platforms. An Android device, you can find it on Play Store, ioPay. If you are an Apple device user, you can find it on the App Store. You can also download the desktop version both on Windows and Mac OS. ioPay, simply more than just a wallet.